it's a part 2, so I'm going to run. Part 2 of Cookie Monster Sings Chocolate Rain. It said it was busy right now. Oh, not again. 3 again. Oh my goodness, this steak. Takes really long. Next has stupid teeth.
Schools are how much the parents make chocolate rain.
So funny.
Chocolate rain cleans the sewers out beneath Mumbai. Chocolate rain.
Oh my damn, I'm
Across the world and back, it's all the same. Chocolate rain.
But how can I get this?
Angels cry and shake their heads in shame. Chocolate rain lifts the ark of paradise and sends chocolate rain.
I already ate that
You
cookie.
think you're living in chocolate rain? More than March and more than
Come on, just be over.
rain.
It's taking right on.
Think how we got to where we are.
My thing can only reach up to 3 minutes.
Three quickly crashing through your veins. Chocolate
So
rain.
weird. It's just taking so long automatically.
Chocolate rain.
Okay.
It's raining.
Just sing Chocolate Rain for 3 minutes.
Chocolate rain.
Just 1 minute. It's just done. Okay, it's almost done because it's showing that cow again. That's so like the stupid cow. Okay. Okay, that's all for today, folks. Bye.